Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jay, and if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, join the family. Please like and share this video. Comment down below, it would really help out my channel. Click on that little bell to get notified every time I post a new video. And today's video is going to be trying to attempt to blow out my long hair. If you guys want to know how I achieve this look, go ahead and stay tuned. Other than that, this video is sponsored by Ana Luisa. They actually were kind enough to send me some of my pieces that I chose and from their jewelry. They're this jewelry company and they sell beautiful, beautiful, beautiful pieces. Okay, so this is one of the sets. It's called the Cardi Set, and it has like a little moon kind of shaped upside down. It's very beautiful and it has a little star here. The detailing in this is amazing. It is gorgeous. I love it. And yeah, this is one of the sets. Thing that was sent to me was these beautiful, beautiful, beautiful earrings. They're hooped earrings. This is the third piece that I got sent, and it is this beautiful moon necklace. As you can see, it's shaped as a heart. Very minimal, very cute, and I love wearing a v-neck because you could see how beautiful the necklace is. It shows off your neck, and most of all shows off the product, the finishing look, and how beautiful it just styles your whole outfit. So yeah, you guys, don't forget to check out Ana Luisa at Jaylashesxoxo.com. I will have their linked down below, so you guys could just go ahead and get the 10% off already. So with that being said, let's get started with this video. First of all, what I have as the blow dryer brush, or what do you call this? A brush blow dryer? I don't know, dry brush, whatever you want to call this. I bought it at TJ Maxx. I think it was only like 20 to 25 or something dollars. And yeah, so it has a setting. It has 0 setting, 1, and then 2 and 3, and then that's kind of just the levels that it has. The first one goes to cold and it still blow dries, but it's like cold, and then the second one, it gets hotter, and then the last one is like super hot. It's actually very noisy as well, but I haven't used it really to do a blowout, so I wanted to see if I could actually do it. So that's why I'm uploading this video, and I'm actually doing it to see if I could do it as well. So yes. So you can get one of these at TJ Maxx, Marshalls, even Ross possibly. And you'll need a brush to like comb your hair, to like comb it out. And my hair is a little bit damp right now, so it's kind of still wet, kind of not really, but we'll see if with semi-damp hair we can still do this. And I'm gonna try this Mega Full Thickening Lotion. I saw it on a YouTuber, and I'll link her name below because I honestly forgot her name. But she's used this before she blow dried her hair, so I definitely wanted to try it out to see if it was gonna make any difference on my hair, and see if it actually thickens my hair and if I see a difference in that as well. So this is Garnier Fructis Style Mega Full Thickening Lotion. This is what it's called, and that's how it looks. I got this off Amazon for I think 12 bucks. And this one's the triple section, and I'm actually gonna use this for the finishing spray to give it texture. And like I said, she used these two products, so I actually wanted to see and try out these two products myself and see if it actually makes a difference when I blow dry my hair. So shout out to her. So yeah. And then last but not least, we need a clip because we're gonna have to part our hair out and yeah, section that out and roll it out. So So I have to comb my hair first. So I'm gonna shake this and I'm gonna put it, I don't know what kind is it, just like a spray? Okay, so it's a spray. So I'm gonna spray all this all over my hair. And I'm filming in my bathroom, so yeah. And I live in an apartment, so I don't know if like my neighbors might take a shower soon and you could hear the water run, you know. You know how that works. Okay, so I think, yeah. Okay, that should be enough. But, okay, so we're gonna run it through our hair and I'm gonna add some more on top of my head. Just 'cause I want more volume in there. And that's supposed to be volume too, so let's see. Okay. So now that that's done, let's part our hair. Usually people who do like a blowout have layers to their hair, and it's shorter layers. My hair is kind of just one length, honestly, so I'm like skeptical if it's gonna work to actually do an actual blowout. So that's, I'm like, I really want to do this video because I want to see the end results on my blowout. So let's pray that this doesn't get my hair tangled. So let's get to it. It's gonna be loud, so I'm not gonna have noise in the background, so yeah. I'm gonna put it to the setting 3, so it's gonna be super hot. So hopefully I don't sweat. Like I said, frame my face, and I'm gonna go upwards and frame it that way. And that's what I'm gonna do with the other section as well. I'm gonna do see how I have curtain bangs, so that's why they flare out that way, and that's why I frame it that side how I did it, because I want to get that little wing effect going on. And then let's do it to the other side. So last part is putting some of this texturizing, amplifies and refreshes triple section. Well, it's called triple sec 3-in-1 finishing spray, but it does texturizes, amplifies and refreshes. So and adds volume, it says. Shake, shake, shake. And now that we're done, smells kind of like, I don't know, kind of like a refreshing scent, but it's kind of weird scent. Okay, so I'm gonna shake it up because I do feel like it kind of gets a little bit rough, a little bit harsh. I did struggle, like I said, with my blow dryer brush, but overall, I mean, it gave me what I expected. My hair looks super voluminous. Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was pretty fun to make. Honestly, using the brush, the blow dryer brush, was first time thing for me to do throughout my whole head. I usually only use it for my bangs because I do have curtain bangs, so I do like that flare, that blow dry look for it. So that's the only reason why I bought this. But I just thought, I'm like, why not do it all over my head and try to see if I could even get my hair out of that brush. I was struggling, you guys did see that, but I did like the finishing look of it, and honestly, it is blow dried. So there's that. And once again, thank you Annalisa for sponsoring this video. Don't forget to check them out. Go ahead and get your Black Friday sales and get someone a gift. Use my code JRT10 for 10% off. Go ahead and see that in my description below. So again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.